If you want to know how to make thousands of dollars a month on TikTok Shop this year, I'm going to help you, okay? This is not theory, it's not hype, but it's real strategy. Let's get into it. And I'm not playing, I'm for real, okay? Don't fake the product. People can feel that. If you don't use it, it's going to come across on camera. Make sure that you are using the product. You really like it, okay? You didn't just get it because you needed to fill a need in your house. Maybe that, okay? But you know what? Show to them that you are using the product. If I can't see it in your face, energy, I'm not buying it. And the reason why is because people don't buy products, they buy authenticity. If it feels like you were just trying to sell them something, people are gone in a heartbeat. And this is why you need to stop selling features and start selling emotions, okay? Most people buy because of how they feel emotionally. How is it going to make me feel, okay? You know what? When I have that, those bracelets or that nice watch, okay, or this V-neck shirt, okay, that's what they don't be like, oh, you know what? I need that. Let me buy that. Oh, mom, that vacuum right there is going to clean my stairs, my whole kitchen. I can just sit back. They buy off of emotion. Oh, those glasses are nice, stylish. They have a nice tint and they block UV rays. I can have a camera on them to record up to 12 minutes. Man, I need that, not just, hey, these are the camera. You know what I'm saying? You want to really feed into them. You want to convey how the buyer may feel after getting that product. If they're going to feel less stressed, more organized, productive. All right. Is it going to make them feel confident, secure? And that's what you need to show on camera. And please, by all means, stop expecting viral videos. Those days are gone. Okay. The algorithm is constantly changing. And the fact that TikTok has just recently been sold. And if you're watching this, they had a recent power outage. People were missing money for 3 days and, earnings weren't showing, commissions weren't showing. But here's the thing. Your video could get a sale within an hour. Okay. But likely right now, it might take you 3 hours, okay, by the end of the day, all right? Even sometimes 3 days to a week before a video just takes off. Some videos go like this, and then out of nowhere, they just skyrocket. Now, this is what you came for, okay? Trust me on this. If you are already somewhat of a seasoned TikTok Shop affiliate, I'm going to just spit it out there. Make 5 videos. Write it down. Save this video. Share it with somebody else. Trust me on this. Make not 3, not 2, get a product, make 5 videos on this product, different videos. So right now I'm sitting, the next one, I'm standing, right? And maybe a third one, I'm walking into the frame, right? Maybe the 5th one, I'm spraying this. When I go back and I look at those videos, ooh, this one has 800 views. This one has 200. This one has 1,300. This one has 8 saves, right? They saved it as a favorite. There's 5 comments, and there's 33,000, views and 120 likes. And this smells good, by the way. Okay. This is the second best perfume that I got from my wife. And I've made a ton of videos on this. And the thing about it is I don't get tired of talking about it because it's real. It's a legit reaction, it's a legit feeling. And so those are the videos where, they can see that, they can feel that coming across on camera. Make sure that you are building relationships with the brands. And what I mean is I've been there before where brands can be inboxing you and they seem kind of pushy. And honestly, what it is you just need to listen to them because they have money that they are putting behind your videos, ad money, right? And I will never forget a brand wanted me to do a certain something and I didn't really want to do it, right? Because I had did it for another company and I wanted that company to be exclusive to the way I did the intro. Anyway, I'm the one that decided to do it for that company. So there was no thing that said I couldn't do it. And so I did what this company wanted me to do. They said, can you make our video just like you did theirs? I did it. And I tell you, no joke. That was the first time I started seeing $500, $700 days because this company knew that if I could just get him to do our video like he did theirs, we're going to make money. And so now I have this relationship with them, right? And then they also gave me a bonus out of nowhere. They said, man, you deserve this. We're going to give you a bonus. And I kind of teared up a little bit. And I said, babe. And I said, man, and you know what? And it's heart to heart. It's like building a real relationship with people. Hey, you promote for us. And there's a Jim Rohn and some other people out there. What is the phrase? How does the phrase go? If you can provide for someone else or, be a solution to the problem for someone, you'll never work another day in your life. It's something like that. And so on TikTok Shop, you have all of these products, right? And they do something for someone, either makes them smell good, feel good about themselves, maybe it's a DIY project, maybe it's just, a convenience, and you're solving problems. And because of that, people want to buy. You are the solution. Just like on YouTube, I found out a long time ago the way to grow on YouTube is to have a video that is the answer to what people are searching for. So same thing. So when you think about what products should I sample, samples should I get, what should I buy, you should get the things that people are searching for, meaning every product someone is searching for, but you have to make your video in a way that, oh, this is what I've been looking for, and you'll succeed. Jot this down. Make sure you save this as well. Okay, you're going to come back to this video, to this section, rewatch it if you need to, but make sure you're doing the 70-20-10 rule. I can't mention this enough. The 70-20-10 rule is 70% of your content is your niche, what you're known for, what you mostly talk about. Okay, 20% is something that complements that. It's like a subcategory. So if I'm doing photography, I'm talking about cameras, okay? That's cameras, right? Big ones, small ones. If I did a 20% subcategory, it's going to be lighting, selfie lights, tripods. You got it? All right. And then that 10% is just going to be random stuff that's seasonal, that's in right now, stuff that's trending, stuff that, you see, you like it. No one's doing a video on it, but you think you can make it go viral. That's your 10% right there. And trust me, I've done that. I've done, portable drills, pocket knives. That is not in my 70-20, niche, right? Mine's is cameras, content creation, selfie, tripods, all of that, right? I go out and do a pocket knife. All the guys are buying it. So just because you like to talk about a particular thing, if you keep doing that and only that, you are limiting how much money you can make, right? And I was like, man, okay, that's why people are not succeeding. They're only doing what they want to do. I only want to talk about clothes. That's all I want to do is fashion. I just want to talk about makeup and that's it. I only want to talk about dogs, pets and animals, kitchen appliances. You never step out to yard tools. Just try something. All right. And you'll be surprised that you'll be like the number 1, number 5 top seller in that category. Make sure that you are following the data, okay? There is a way to check your click-through rate, okay? And also your click-through order rate, all right? Now, click-through rate, obviously you're gonna make, if it's high, you wanna make more videos like that, especially if you're going for views and follows and likely some sales. But you can also check the click-to-order rate, and that way, not only are a lot of these people clicking on that video, but they're actually ordering, okay? Those are the videos you wanna keep making, rather than just, let me pick an item and do a video. Okay, now I'm gonna pick that item. Pick the items that are already performing. If you apply this consistently, I promise you, I can almost guarantee you will see $200, $300, $400 days. All right. Build the relationships with the brands. All right. Make sure you are applying all of these things. This is your new strategy, your new blueprint. Save this. Share it with someone else. If you have friends and partners, inside of TikTok Shop as an affiliate that are working close together like you, but who are starting just like you. And I'm telling you, you will take your content to the next level. All right. You will see that money and be able to take those vacations, those days off, and maybe even go part-time on your job, or even like me, leave your job and now you do this full time. Subscribe to the channel. I hope this has helped you. Okay. And I will see you on the next video.